It's a beautiful day today, and you are a beautiful girl. I was passing the time of day, took a walk through the town, watching folks come and go on their way, just looking around. I was taking a photograph when you came into view, skipping by with a smile and a laugh, like a bolt from the blue. It's a beautiful day today, it's a wonderful world, but I'm not happy to be feeling this way. My mind all of the world, no breeze to blow my blues away. They go round and round in a swirl. It's a beautiful day today, and you are a beautiful girl. There's a change in the air on this warm afternoon. I took a walk in the sunshine, I was humming this tune, and you came tripping my way, a heart full of fun, and the sparkle in your eyes, shining bright as the sun. It's a beautiful day today.